Hi everyone. If you're an analytics team, this probably sounds familiar. Request comes in Slack channel, email, hallway conversations, and everything feels pretty urgent and nothing is well defined and somehow analytics is always behind. The problem isn't that your team cannot build a dashboard. The problem is the analytics demand is completely unmanaged. Most organizations think analytics problems are technical. In actuality, they are not. What I see over and over is this data team are operating like a help desk, not like a decision support function. There is no single intake, no prioritization logic, no clear ownership, and no visibility into what actually matters. So what happens is analysts always get burned out, leaders stop trusting BI, and good work gets buried under the noise. One pattern I have seen, and it is always true, teams don't fail because of tools, they fail because they never govern demand. If you don't control how work enters the system, no dashboard will save you because you only get what you see. What I have thought of is, why don't we create a analytics demand governance system? The idea is, if you have a current system of getting your data from email, Slack, or casual team meeting, that means you feel the pressure. It has a devastating impact on your operation as well. What you do is, when you have such system without clear ownership, you lose a lot of time in the processing. Lack of control, data quality issues, prioritization problem, and many other whatnot. So it also increased your risk level, headcounts issues, then leadership insights, productivity. It's many problems. So to tackle this problem, what we will do is we will develop a system where the current system is getting the analytics demand via email, through Teams or Slack channel, or casual team meeting, or hallway discussions. If these are your current process to get the data for the intake system, then the impact is huge. You are wasting time. You have lack of control in every single area that you're talking about. Data quality issues and the prioritization problem. You really don't know what to prioritize because of the issue. The risks are increased tremendously, and which impacts the leadership trust. So when things are not organized, it's hard to see if your headcount is right or not, if you have extra or you have below the level. And when it comes to the quarterly or reporting season, you are actually in the mess. You're not able to collect or report on what exactly happened on the productivity report and also compare it. So with this impact, it is recommended to automate analytics demand governance system. As a part of this project, what we will build is a form which is analytics and BI intake form. So the idea is, when someone needs a report from your team, they will submit a form. And using this form, we will apply triage and prioritization logic, workflow automation, delivery tracking for ops management, reports that can be sent every week or month or depending on customer request. Then we'll build a dashboard for leadership and build a dashboard for the team ops. And finally, we'll place some controls in data quality and governance purposes. If you develop this project, the impact will be huge as well. The impact immediately you will see in random projects. You will see stoppage already, and you will have a better management. Your trade-offs will be much more visible. You will know, or your director, or you will know what to manage, which project to prioritize first, and what are the deliverables for that project versus the project you are not prioritizing. Most importantly, it will save your analyst from getting burned out. It will save their time, and it will be a great tool for the decisions maker. If you are running an analytics, or if you're the director of the team, you will be able to report on more on the strategic and insightful projects that your team worked on. And finally, the VPs or CISO and executive, they will trust the numbers and they will know where to invest and where not to invest. Thank you, everybody.